Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So you had to watch and see where is the animal world hiding here. Fear. I saw something. What's that tiger over here? Come, let's see. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? Wiggle tail.
That too.
Ooh. Oh, it's a fruit. The cheetah. Look, it's a cheetah with sparkly eyes. Okay, let's find the next animal. I want to find a pink animal.
Yeah.
Oh, why the tiger has a body again? Is this a cat? Ooh, it's Hello Kitty cat. Fine, let's go find another one. Okay, now we're gonna see where is the white animal. What's this two doing here? Exactly, it's the white animal. Yes or no? Yes, it's the white animal with white. Look, it's white. Oh, it's this and white animal. Oh, this cave is really super dark. Oh, white animals. Let's find the pink animal. Follow me. Watch and see. Where is the pink? Here, wall pink? No. Where is the pink animal? Not that. I think it looks like a bunny.
Yeah.
How about you think? That's not pink, that's white. Where's the pink? This purple, this red. Oh, this rabbit. Is this rabbit? No, but it's very pink. Let us see where is hiding. Look this. Ooh, what is this?
I saw something there.
Ooh. Oh, pink color things. A boba. It's a mouse! Ah! Oh, rabbits. Very dark over here. I'm scared. So, thank you for watching my videos for finding all the hidden animals. So you have to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks. But after that, you also can watch and see what I'm doing. You can follow me to find.
I saw something.
Oh. Still got one more thing, sorry. Oh, what's that? What's this monkey over here? So, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and channel. Bye.